Yuncheng is a city often overlooked, yet beneath its unassuming exterior lies a wealth of culture and history. Yuncheng is a city that whispers, not shouts, its stories. To truly experience it, one must slow down, listen, and observe. Yun Chong is a city of contrasts where ancient traditions meet modern life. The city's history stretches back millennia, with evidence of human habitation dating back to the Neolithic period. Over the centuries, Yuncheng has been ruled by a succession of dynasties, each leaving their mark on the city's cultural landscape. The city's strategic location, at the crossroads of ancient trade routes, has also shaped its character. Yuncheng has long been a melting pot of cultures and ideas, a place where different traditions have blended and evolved. This rich tapestry of influences is evident in everything from the city's architecture to its cuisine. Yuncheng's history is etched into its walls, its temples, and its very soul. The city's most iconic landmark, the Salt Lake, is a testament to its ancient past. For centuries, the lake has been a source of life and prosperity for Yuncheng. Towering over the city is the majestic Guan Yu Temple, a tribute to Guan Yu, a revered general from the Three Kingdoms period. The temple, with its intricate carvings and sweeping roofs, is a masterpiece of Chinese architecture. It stands as a symbol of loyalty, righteousness, and courage, values deeply ingrained in the city's spirit. Wander through the city's ancient alleys and you'll find traditional courtyard houses, their wooden doors adorned with intricate carvings. These homes, passed down through generations, are a living link to the past. Tales of emperors and scholars, merchants and artisans, all contribute to the rich tapestry of Yuncheng's past. The Salt Lake, known locally as Xiachi, is more than just a geographical wonder. It's the lifeblood of Yuncheng. For over 4,000 years, its salt pans have sustained generations, their geometric patterns a testament to human ingenuity. The salt, once a precious commodity, fueled trade and prosperity. The lake's unique ecosystem, shaped by high salinity, supports a delicate balance of life. Algae blooms paint the water in vibrant hues of red and green, a spectacle that has captivated visitors for centuries. The lake is also a haven for migratory birds, their calls echoing across the water, a reminder of nature's enduring presence. The process of salt extraction, passed down through generations, is a testament to human resilience and adaptation. Wooden tools, crafted with skill and precision, are still used today, their rhythmic movements a dance between man and nature. The salt, harvested from the lake, is more than just a seasoning. It is a symbol of Yuncheng's enduring spirit. No figure looms larger in Yuncheng's cultural consciousness than Guan Yu. A general from the Three Kingdoms period, Guan Yu embodies loyalty, courage, and righteousness. The magnificent Guan Yu Temple, dedicated to his memory, is a testament to his enduring legacy. Its towering red walls and intricate carvings draw visitors from across China and beyond. Inside the temple, statues of Guan Yu, his face a mask of fierce determination, inspire awe and reverence. His legendary weapon, the Green Dragon Crescent Blade, is displayed prominently, a symbol of his might and unwavering resolve. The temple is more than just a place of worship, it is a living monument to Guan Yu's virtues. Throughout the year, the temple comes alive with festivals and celebrations. Guan Yu's influence extends beyond the temple walls. Yuncheng's culinary scene is a testament to its rich history and cultural influences. The city's signature dish, Yuncheng pulled noodles, is a must-try for any visitor. These hand-pulled noodles, served in a savory broth, are a testament to the skill and artistry of Yuncheng's chefs. Each strand, stretched and folded with precision, represents generations of culinary tradition. The Salt Lake, beyond its historical significance, also plays a crucial role in Yuncheng's cuisine. The lake's salt, known for its unique flavor, enhances the taste of many local dishes. From salted duck eggs to pickled vegetables, the salt adds a distinct savory note that is unmistakably Yuncheng. Street food stalls, their aromas filling the air, offer a tantalizing array of snacks and treats. From savory pancakes to sweet dumplings, there is something to satisfy every craving. Beyond its iconic landmarks, Yuncheng is a city best explored on foot. Wander through its ancient alleys, known as hutongs, and you'll step back in time. These narrow lanes, lined with traditional courtyard houses, offer a glimpse into a bygone era. The rhythmic clatter of mahjong tiles, the chatter of neighbors, and the scent of home-cooked meals fill the air. Look closely, and you'll notice the intricate details that adorn the doorways and windows of the houses. Carvings of mythical creatures, flowers, and auspicious symbols speak of a time when craftsmanship was paramount. The hutongs are more than just a collection of old buildings. They are the heart and soul of Yun Chong, where generations have lived, loved, and built their lives. The spirit of community is palpable here, as neighbors greet each other with warmth and familiarity. Yuncheng moves at a different pace than the bustling metropolises that dominate China's eastern seaboard. Life here is more measured, more attuned to the rhythms of nature. In the early morning, the city awakens slowly, the air filled with the sound of birdsong and the scent of steamed buns. People gather in parks, practicing Tai Chi and socializing, their movements a graceful dance that reflects the city's relaxed pace. As the day progresses, the streets come alive with activity. Markets teem with vendors selling everything from fresh produce to handcrafted souvenirs. Despite the bustle, there is a sense of order, a respect for tradition and community that permeates every aspect of life. In the evening, as the sun begins its descent, Yuncheng takes on a magical quality. The city's lanterns are lit, casting a warm glow on the ancient streets. Yuncheng has a long and proud tradition of craftsmanship. For centuries, its artisans have been renowned for their skill and artistry, creating objects of both beauty and utility. From intricate wood carvings to delicate paper cuttings, Yuncheng's crafts reflect the city's rich cultural heritage. One of the city's most famous crafts is the making of Yuncheng drums. These drums, known for their deep, resonant sound, are used in traditional Chinese operas and ceremonies. The process of making a Yuncheng drum is both laborious and time-consuming, requiring years of training and a deep understanding of acoustics. Another notable craft is the creation of Yuncheng carpets. These carpets, woven from wool and silk, are renowned for their intricate designs and vibrant colors. Yuncheng in many ways embodies the soul of Shanxi province. Like the rest of the province, it is a landlocked region, its people shaped by the rugged terrain and the challenges of isolation. Yet, from this isolation has sprung a deep sense of community, a resilience and resourcefulness that is evident in every aspect of life. Shanxi is often referred to as the cradle of Chinese civilization, and Yuncheng is no exception. The province is dotted with ancient temples, tombs, and historical sites, testaments to its long and illustrious past. Yuncheng, with its own rich history, contributes significantly to this legacy. But Shanxi is more than just its history. It is also a land of breathtaking natural beauty. Yuncheng, situated on the edge of the Salt Lake, offers its own unique perspective on this natural splendor. Yuncheng, with its hidden treasures and understated charm, beckons the intrepid traveler. It offers an escape from the frenetic pace of modern life, a chance to reconnect with history, nature, and oneself. Whether you're exploring ancient temples, strolling through bustling markets, or simply soaking up the atmosphere in a local tea house, Yuncheng has something to offer everyone. For history buffs, the city is a treasure trove of ancient wonders. The Guan Yu Temple, the Salt Lake, and the numerous historical sites scattered throughout the city offer a fascinating glimpse into China's past. Nature lovers will be captivated by the beauty of the Salt Lake and its surrounding landscapes. Foodies will find themselves in culinary heaven in Yuncheng. A journey to Yuncheng is more than just a trip, it's a transformative experience. It's a chance to step off the beaten path, to immerse yourself in a culture rich in history and tradition, and to discover the hidden gems that lie beyond the tourist traps. As you explore Yuncheng's ancient streets, interact with its friendly locals, and savor its unique cuisine, you'll gain a deeper understanding of China's heart and soul. You'll discover a side of the country that is often overlooked, a side that is both authentic and inspiring. Yuncheng is a city that rewards curiosity, a city that invites you to slow down, to observe, and to connect. So why not answer the call of Yuncheng? Embark on a journey less ordinary and